Hi everyone, my name is Nitish and today I'm going to teach you offset function which is very easy for you to understand. This will be my video number 4. Okay, let's start with basic offset formula. So what offset does is it returns a reference to a range that is a given number of rows and columns on a given reference. So instead of understanding in this manner, I will just show you how it works. So when you hit the syntax, it says first to select the reference. Reference is nothing but that is your starting point from where you want to start your data to be fetched. So offset of reference will be, let's take A1 as your starting reference. Next comma. Next it is telling us to include rows. Correct. So basically what it is telling us is so after selecting A1, how many rows you wanted to go down and fetch the data. So let's say I wanted to go one row down from the starting cell, that is A1, come. And next how many columns you wanted to move. Rows is you are moving the, you are fetching for the data towards your row side. Columns, if you take, it is asking us, towards your right side, that is in the column, which data you want to get fetched. So I don't want to fetch any data, I will give 0. Let's say what is the value. Okay, so offset of A1 from this position A1, it is going one row down and it is getting me the value, correct? Let's say I will give, so we have hit it. Let's come here into the formula and select the column value as 1, and here you are getting this value because so you are basically telling your offset function start your reference from A1 and go one cell down, that is rows, and you are telling again to come one cell towards your right side. So from here one cell down and one cell right means this is the value you are getting fetched, correct? Let's delete this and we'll fetch the data from another column. Offset of, let's say you want the data from here F1. So how many rows you wanted to go down? So I'm telling to my offset function to go 2 rows down and 0 columns. So it should not move towards your right side. Let's see which is the value we get. So we are getting 440. It means you are starting your reference from here and you are telling to go 2 rows down. So that is 1 and 2, correct? And you are getting this value. Let's say for the column you give 1. You are getting value 0 because when it is coming from F1 2 rows down, 1, 2, and you are specifying after coming 2 rows down, move one cell towards the right, that is your column side. But column side here there is no value, so that's why we are getting the value 0. Just enter some value here, 3. See, you are getting 3 because you are telling 1, 2 and move one column towards your right, that is the value 3. And let's say you give 5 here, correct? 5, and next afterwards Q, it needs to move 2 rows down and from there towards your right 2 columns, so we are getting 5. So this is the value we are getting here. So this is offset formula, and let me complete the syntax in the offset formula. So here you are selecting your reference, that is your rows, and next is the columns. So this is enough to get the data fetched, but there are two more parameters as well here. One is height and width. We generally don't use height and width. Height and width is used basically when you are selecting an entire array, and it is mostly useful in the named ranges. I hope you have got this formula. If there are any comments, please share so that I can able to help you, and happy to listen if you want to share any improvements and suggestions from your side. Thank you so much. Have a good day.